Conditional access policies are a critical piece of Microsoft 365 security. Unfortunately, Microsoft does not make it easy to copy your policies from one tenant to another. That's where Augmentt comes in. You can use the Augmentt portal to copy a policy from one tenant, convert it to a template, and then assign it to another customer account that you have set up in Augmentt. To create a conditional access policy template, navigate to Secure, Policy Management, and then Templates. Click Create New in the top right corner, and then select a policy template. Select the customer you wish to copy the policy from, and then select the policy you want to copy. You can now name the template and add a description. Select your prompted inputs, and then you can determine if you want them to be required or optional. You can also add your own notes. Once you're ready, hit Next, verify the template looks good, and hit Create. Once the template has been created, you can assign it to any of your customers in Augmentt that have the proper Microsoft licensing to allow conditional access policies.
That's my minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.